stripe it right every time. Let's find the ideal unit per application. Highway line striping can be a tricky job, requiring high levels of precision and accuracy. However, with the truck-mounted line striping kit ROADMASTER 10, the task becomes much easier. ROADMASTER 10 can effortlessly produce clear and long-lasting markings in record time, revolutionizing the road marking industry, saving money, effort, and providing superior and reliable performance every time. ROADMASTER 10 ensures accurate paint delivery and crisp lines without any smudging or overspray. With its powerful components and advanced technology, this truck-mounted line striping setup can easily handle any road marking job no matter how challenging it may be. Its palletized and truck-mounted design allows for increased mobility, making it the perfect choice for road maintenance contractors looking to get the job done quickly and effectively. The skip line controller allows the driver to effortlessly create perfect lines on the road surface without ever leaving the comfort of the cabin, making it a one-man job. Featuring a user-friendly interface, the controller is capable of accurately marking road lines while saving time and resources. Say goodbye to the hassle of coordinating multiple workers and equipment, and welcome a more efficient and cost-effective solution with VEZOS and cabin monitor and controller kit. Highway road marking has never been quicker or more precise. Let's take a closer look on some of the ROADMASTER 10 features. Equipped with two VEZOS Hydrex piston paint pumps, allowing you to stripe dual color lines. The ROADMASTer 10 is hydraulically operated, with VEZOS TCS technology ensuring correct cooling throughout the entire hydraulic paint system. Pressurized glass bead system with 155-gallon steel tank, including a pop-up valve and removable loading funnel. Stencil kit with manual handgun for pavement signs, arrow markings, and more. Palletized steel frame with multiple pickup and loading angles with forklift. Depending on the client's needs, the ROADMASTer 10 can be placed in several angles on the truck bed due to its multiple lifting points around the frame. Equipped with an HD air compressor and large 4-gallon accumulation tank. Powered by Honda or Kohler engines. For more videos and product information, visit our website at vezosusa.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.